Contractors who build estimates in spreadsheets or handwritten templates usually lose time on every job, because pricing, materials, and labor calculations get repeated manually, instead of pulling from saved templates. By the end of this, you'll know the top estimate software options for contractors, what each one is actually best at, and how to choose based on whether you focus on speed, accuracy, or full job management. Estimate software is not just about creating quotes. It's about turning job pricing into a repeatable system, so you don't rebuild the same calculations every time a customer asks for a bid. The first type of tool is all-in-one field service software. These platforms combine estimating, scheduling, invoicing, and job tracking in one place, which is useful for contractors who manage full projects from quote to completion. This matters because it reduces the need to switch between multiple tools and keeps estimates directly connected to actual jobs. The second type is dedicated estimating tools. These are focused only on building fast, accurate quotes with templates, material libraries, and pricing structures. This matters because they are often faster for contractors who only need estimates and already use separate tools for scheduling or accounting. A strong estimating system should allow reusable templates. That means you can build a standard job like a bathroom remodel or HVAC install once, then reuse it with adjusted pricing. This reduces inconsistent pricing between similar jobs. Another important feature is material and labor cost tracking. Good software lets you set labor rates, apply markups, and include material costs, so your profit margins stay consistent. This helps prevent underbidding, which is one of the most common issues in contractor businesses. Mobile access is also important, because estimates often happen on-site after inspections. Being able to build or adjust a quote from a phone or tablet speeds up the sales process. Some platforms also include customer approval features, where clients can accept or reject estimates digitally instead of waiting for email responses. This shortens the time between quote and signed job. When comparing options, the main difference is between tools built for quick quoting and tools built for full job management. Quick quoting tools are better for speed and simplicity. Full platforms are better for contractors who want estimating tied directly into scheduling and invoicing. The right choice depends on your workflow. If you create many standalone estimates, a lightweight tool may be enough. If every estimate turns into a scheduled job, an all-in-one system is usually more efficient. A practical next step is to review how long it currently takes you to build a standard estimate. If it takes more than a few minutes each time, template-based estimating software will likely give you the biggest time savings. If this helped you narrow down your options, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor tools and business software.